The next pattern though, right, exactly the opposite, not a reversal. This next pattern was a breaker pattern. This went with the trend. A little bit later on in the morning, obviously, about a half an hour later. And we had to wait for the 9:30 to come and go, right? 9:30 US Open. And we have an alarm at 9:35 that goes off. This happened right at 9:35. 9:34 was the official time on it. But you can see short-term trend is up. We're trending to the upside. My trigger line is pointed up. Okay, we break above resistance. This is the previous high of day right here. So we break above the previous high of day, mark up our swing high, break above that swing high. It's called a breaker pattern to the long side. 26 was the fill. We got a +4, 2 off at 4, +8, 1 off at 8, and 1 off at 10. So 8 + 8 + 10, 26 ticks, $10 per tick on crude, 260 USD. So another very simple pattern here. And now this pattern looks a little bit different, right? It's kind of a lightning bolt pattern, right? This pattern will be a little bit different here. This pattern's going to come up, right? It'll break, it'll pull back off those highs and then break through that level there, right? So kind of a lightning bolt, right, to the pattern there, as you can see. Very simple pattern, right? We come up, make our swing high, break above that swing high, and there's your breaker pattern long. Okay, so another real simple pattern. Again, we're going to go over all this stuff with the rules in our advanced course materials, so come out and join us as an advanced course member. Then the final trade of the morning here, like I said, we really, after about 10 o'clock, things started really moving on us, and of course, after this trade, we had padded our account tremendously, so it didn't make much sense for us to put any risk capital in the market because things were really widening out, spread was widening, things were going kind of every which direction, double tops, double bottoms, sideways market. So at this point in the game, once we took our trade here at 10 o'clock, we were pretty much done here. We were happy to take the money out of the market we could and go to the bank with it. But here at 10 o'clock, this was the DX pattern on the euro. Now, what is the DX pattern? The DX pattern is going to use a negative correlation between the dollar and a currency future. Now, we chose to trade the euro. You could have traded the pound. You could have traded the yen on this. The euro is our favorite. It doesn't really matter. Whatever currency future you try to trade with, guys, watch that dollar. Now, the dollar told us it had specific support we had to break through. Guys, if you saw it in the room, you know what I'm talking about, right? We knew the dollar had to break through support. At the same time, here's a snapshot of the euro. The euro had to break through its resistance, right? We had resistance here at 27.52. Now, this resistance was a twofold level of resistance. This was an overhead trend line, and we had a trigger line too. So the trend line that was coming down in the euro, combine that with the trigger line on my slower time frame, and we had a ton of resistance at 27.52. So we knew once the dollar broke support, the euro would try to break resistance, and we knew that 52 was our target. Once we broke above 52, momentum curled over. You can see down bottom here, right? Momentum curled all the way up from the bottom there. Nice entry here. Of course, 27.56 was the fill. By the time we got this thing taken above 52s, 56 is where the fill. We got our +10 ticks, of course. Now, in this situation, with the day we had this morning, with the overhead resistance we were looking at in the euro, we decided it'd be a good idea to be a little bit conservative here and take that profit at +10. As you can see, right above us, that was a pretty darn good decision because the +10, after we saw the +10 filled, it curled right over and dumped to the downside there. So, of course, at 12.50 per tick, 4 contracts, guys, that's 40 ticks. That's 500 USD. All right, guys, to trade that along with us, you would need $500 margin times 4 contracts equals 2,000 USD. So all you needed was 2,000 bucks. You made a 25% return on that account, guys. A 25% return in a matter of minutes here on the euro, and it's called the DX pattern, guys. You don't need a lot of experience. You don't need a lot of money in your account, and you certainly don't need to spend a lot of money with us, guys. We have a very easy way to get involved. Total up, guys, today, 80 ticks, 900 USD. Another great day in the room. Another day filled with winners. Now, tomorrow's a pretty busy day. 8:30 non-farm payrolls. Now, guys, if you've never seen a non-farm payroll number, you'll want to be with us tomorrow, Friday, May 7th. So we'll finish up the week tomorrow with a webinar 11:30. But the big thing is 8:30 non-farm payrolls. We expect that to be a major mover tomorrow. That's a big-time news number. And then 11:30 tomorrow, we'll be talking about more of our tips and tricks in our webinar. So don't want to miss that. We're going to open the room tomorrow, guys, 7:45 a.m. So come out and join us. Tomorrow's a Friday, so no webinar tomorrow. I'm sorry, we have a tips and tricks webinar tomorrow, but no special webinar tomorrow. Those are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The beginner's course is always recommended for all you trial guests out there. And don't forget, we have a special promo going on right now. If you're a beginner course member, we're going to give you 10% off when you upgrade to your advanced course, and it ends tomorrow, guys. So make sure, pick up a copy of the beginner's course. That will get you the savings on the advanced course when you guys upgrade. And don't forget, that expires tomorrow. If you want more information about the advanced membership, don't forget, the advanced membership is lifetime access, no monthly fees. We throw in charts, we give you indicators, we give you market data, and of course, it's a lifetime access, so never any monthly fees. More information there about the advanced membership, sales, schooltrade.com, or send them a Skype. There are SOT sales on Skype. They're always looking forward to talking to you guys. As always, thank you guys for your time today. My name is Joseph. Another big day in the room. We're shooting for $4,000 this week, guys. Come out and join us tomorrow for non-farm payrolls at 8:30, and we'll see if we can do it. Again, thanks for your time, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.